Hello guys, welcome back. I know I haven't posted in a long time. I only posted VR videos. And because I haven't been posting, I forgot it's hard to get out of that a blizzard happened. And if you look outside, it's pure snow. See? Can't see that. Yep, snow. And I might show you my backyard. Yeah, I'm gonna go show you it. The thing that I'm recording on, it's about to die. And we're gonna make all of our pool videos. I only did 2, I think. I don't keep track of my videos. Look at my backyard. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. And I just wanted to say hi again. And my mom added new things to my room. My bed, I don't know why I sleep with those things. My brother's bed. My brother's desk that I just used. My TV, my library books. And outside. Yeah. And I'm in my bed right now. I went outside. It is freezing. Yesterday was a blizzard. I went outside to get one of my friends. I almost blew away, but I'm glad I went with my dad. There it is right now. Yep, see? Right there. That's his car. I'm not showing you his license plate because I don't want to get demonetized. Okay. So, bye. I love you all. Bye. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Don't do this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do this. Yes. And ring the bell, please. Bye.